Hey, welcome to Food Forest. Today I am here with one of the traditional sweets of Havyaka, which is healthy and super tasty. And as always, easy, quick Food Forest recipe. Yes, sharing jackfruit seeds halwa recipe. ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಬೇಳೆ ಬುಡ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Funny and interesting ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, here I'm taking some sun-dried jackfruit seeds. Now I'm just crushing like this and removing the skin. ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀಟಾಗಿ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕುಕ್ ಜಾಕ್ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದಿ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್. ಈ ಥರ ಸಾಫ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕುಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕುಕ್ಡ್ ಜಾಕ್ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡರ್ 2-3 times for a coarse texture. Just like this. ಈಗ heat ghee in a pan. Adding this pulsed jackfruit seeds. One cup jaggery or bella, half cup coconut. You can use fresh coconut also. And I added pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Just mix everything. As the jaggery melts, it will blend with the other ingredients, creating a rich and sweet halwa. Sounds yummy alva? ಈ ಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. If you want, you can add cardamom powder, but the natural flavor of the jackfruit seeds is lovely on its own. Just cook until it reaches this texture. This is very quick. This takes 3 to 4 minutes, that's it. And it's done. You can eat this with ghee. Mouth-watering jackfruit seeds halwa is ready. Thanks for watching.